Email writing, understanding attachments and links. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an important part of email writing, attachments and links. Understanding what they are and how to use them properly can make a huge difference in your online communications. Attachments are files or documents that you can add to your email. You might attach a resume to a job application email, or maybe a photo to an email to a friend. These are just examples. An attachment can be any kind of file, like a Word document, a PDF file, a picture, or even a video. To attach a file to an email, you usually find an icon or button that looks like a paperclip or something similar in your email interface. Click it, and then select the file you want to attach from your computer. Remember, the receiver will need to download the attachment to view it. This is important to keep in mind, especially when dealing with large files or if the recipient's internet connection is slow. A link, or hyperlink, is a clickable part of the text that takes you to a website or a specific web page. Instead of attaching a file, you might send someone a link to that file if it's available online. Links can be very useful for directing someone to a specific web resource without needing to send the whole file. You usually see links as underlined text in a different color than the rest of the email. Sometimes, they can be disguised as normal text or a button. By clicking on it, you will be directed to the URL it's linked to. It's vital to only click on links from trusted sources, as links can sometimes lead to malicious sites or software. So now that we've defined what attachments and links are, let's highlight the differences. Attachments are actual files that you send along with your email. The recipient can download and view these files directly, but it might take longer to download, especially with larger files. Links, on the other hand, direct the recipient to a website or file online. They can be a more efficient way to share large files or resources that are already available online. However, it's crucial to ensure that the link leads to a trusted site. That's all for today's lesson. We've learned about attachments and links in email writing. Remember, using these tools correctly can enhance your communication and make it easier to share information and resources. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing your English writing skills, and we'll see you next time. Happy learning!